EFCC breaks silence on VeryDarkMan arrest. Let us do our job. In the wake of mounting public reactions and widespread online speculation over the detention of social media activist Martins Vincent Otzi, better known as VeryDarkMan, VDM, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has issued a formal statement clarifying the circumstances surrounding his arrest and calling on Nigerians to allow the agency to carry out its constitutional responsibilities without interference. The statement, released on Tuesday via the EFCC's official communication channels, came after days of public discourse triggered by the high-profile arrest of the controversial digital commentator known for his unfiltered and often confrontational videos, targeting celebrities, politicians, and government institutions, including the EFCC itself. EFCC, this is not about his online rants responding to accusations that the arrest was retaliatory or politically motivated due to VDM's repeated verbal attacks on the Commission's integrity and competence. The EFCC emphasized that his detention is strictly related to serious allegations of financial misconduct and not an attempt to silence a critic. While the Commission is aware of several unguarded attacks made by the suspect against its operations, his arrest was not informed by such conduct, the statement read. Rather, it stems from multiple petitions filed by members of the public detailing allegations of financial crimes that cannot be ignored. The EFCC further stated that several official invitations were extended to VDM at his known addresses and through recognized means of communication. However, he allegedly failed to honor any of those invitations, forcing the Commission to escalate the matter by executing an arrest. Like any other suspect under investigation, Martins Vincent Otzi is being held legally and with due process. The Commission obtained the appropriate remand order to detain him while investigations continue. VDM, a social media lightning. Rod now under legal scrutiny, VeryDarkMan, who rose to prominence through his often controversial takes on national and pop culture issues, has become a polarizing figure in Nigeria's digital media space. While some applaud him as a bold truth-teller, others accuse him of cyberbullying, defamation, and spreading misinformation. In recent months, he has directed harsh criticism at the EFCC, accusing the anti-graft agency of corruption, selective justice, and intimidation of innocent Nigerians. His comments, often laced with profanity and broadcast to millions of followers across Instagram, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter, have earned him both a massive fan base and significant detractors. Despite these tensions, the EFCC insists his online behavior, though condemned, is not the legal basis for his detention. The Commission reaffirmed its commitment to the rule of law and due process, assuring Nigerians that his case is being handled in accordance with established legal frameworks. The EFCC's job is to fight economic and financial crimes, period. We are not in the business of silencing critics, but we are obligated to act when allegations backed by evidence are brought to us by citizens. Administrative bail offered, conditions pending. Addressing concerns about the legality and duration of VDM's detention, the Commission revealed that an administrative bail has already been offered to the suspect. However, his release remains pending as he works to fulfill the specified bail conditions. Legal experts note that administrative bail is a standard procedure in EFCC investigations, especially when suspects are cooperative and do not pose a flight risk. The Commission's transparency in confirming the remand order and bail offer appears aimed at calming public anxieties and debunking claims of illegal detention. Public reaction and ongoing debate VDM's arrest has ignited a firestorm on social media with hashtags such as #SigaFreeVeryDarkMan and OdgeEFCC vs VDM trending for days. Supporters of the influencer have accused the government and its agencies of weaponizing the law against dissenting voices, while others argue that no one is above the law and that freedom of expression does not include immunity from legal consequences for alleged criminal conduct. Several public commentators, including legal analysts, have urged Nigerians to exercise caution and avoid making assumptions about the nature of the allegations until the full facts are disclosed. EFCC, focus on the bigger picture. The EFCC concluded its statement with a direct appeal to the Nigerian public. We urge all Nigerians, especially online commentators, to allow the Commission do its job. Speculation, distraction, and politicization of legitimate investigations only serve to hinder justice. "We are committed to transparency, fairness, and the pursuit of the truth." While the agency did not disclose the precise nature of the allegations against VDM, sources close to the investigation have hinted that the charges may involve online fraud, questionable fundraising activities, and misuse of digital platforms for financial gain, allegations that are being thoroughly scrutinized. What happens next? As the investigation continues, legal proceedings are expected to follow depending on the findings of the EFCC. Meanwhile, human rights advocates and media watchdogs are closely monitoring the situation to ensure that VDM's constitutional rights are upheld throughout the legal process. Whether the case results in prosecution or is dropped due to lack of evidence, it will almost certainly have a ripple effect on the broader conversation around influencer accountability, digital activism, and legal boundaries in Nigeria's rapidly evolving social media landscape.